Alright, so I want to give you guys a quick look at this steering wheel cover I just got from Amazon from a brand called SEG. I'll leave a link in the description below. So the problem I was having with my old steering wheel cover is that since my actual steering wheel itself was wide in this area right here, the material was bunching up, and I felt that while I was driving, and I didn't really like it. So I went ahead and ordered me what I thought would be a better steering wheel, while also adding more red to my truck, which you guys know I have red. So yeah, here it is. It's really nice. If it's not real leather, it definitely feels like real leather. I like that the texture with the steering wheel and the steering wheel cover actually match each other. Thought that was pretty neat. Looks pretty good with my seat covers, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing really bad to say about it. As you can see, the material is nice and tight, doesn't bunch up, feels great when I'm driving. It was pretty affordable, about around like 15 bucks, 16 bucks, can't remember. But yeah, I have nothing bad to say about this. I think it looks great. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.